You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more confusing names, including of Irish origin, also Scottish, Gaelic, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more. So, McElhenney is essentially how you say it, at least if you're talking about Robert, the actor Rob. Mac or Mick, McElhenney, 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 McElhenney. It's easy once you know McElhenney, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.